Okay, so it is the next day, and before I unveil this, I just wanted to show you guys how I cover my small pieces. Hello everyone, first off. Hello, greetings. But I know sometimes it's like, well, what do I cover it with? So if you have a small piece, Dollar Tree has these boxes, and they're just storage boxes. So I'll lift it up. Ooh, that looks pretty. And it's just a box, and it comes with an insert, but I take the insert out so it kind of gives me a preview of the piece, and it covers it, from dust and everything. So let me grab the other two pieces and we will get started with this unveiling. I am so excited. They are rock hard. They have been curing for almost 24 hours. Almost 24 hours. So there they are. Yes. All right. Okay, so I still have not cleaned my table off. By the time I do another video, which will be in the next few days, my table will be cleaner. So one thing that I realized that I did not do was spray anything with any kind of mold release, and that was in error. So make sure you spray just to be on the safe side so that your piece comes out. So I will separate, and with silicone you normally don't have a problem. So the first one, I'm going to do them in the same order that I poured them yesterday, which the flour will be first. And if you recall, the flour was sticking out of the back. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh, that is interesting. You see that? And I'm going to do a close-up of all of them. So that is the front of the floral one, and that is the back. So technically this could be a two-sided piece if you wanted it to be, but that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That is not bad. Okay. So that's one. And like I said, I'm going to do a close-up of all of these at the end. So the second one that I did was the gold and black diamond confetti and rocks. Kind of a minimalist piece. I didn't put a whole lot of product into it. And let me tell you guys, let me tell y'all something. I love these silicone trays that I got from Amazon. Like I said, I am going to link them below because these are amazing if this is the shape that you need. So I have some other ideas of what I'm going to do. So let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Well. Now this one is not cured all the way. I just got fingerprints on it. But the front is cured, but the back is not. So I'll still do a close-up of that, but that needs to cure all the way. And I'm going to do a top coat on all of these in a different video. So not really worried about that tackiness. Oh, well, I guess I should feel this one. Okay, that doesn't feel tacky. And tacky is just sticky. Tacky is just another word for sticky. All right, let's see. Last but not least, I don't even remember what's on the front of this one. And it's funny because the way that I'm holding it up, you guys see it before I do. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Ooh. That is interesting. Now, excuse me, I'm not a huge fan of the black. If I did lighter colors, I think it would be like, you know, less black. I used way more black in this one than I planned. So let me go ahead and do some close-ups. Okay, so that is the floral one. And as you can see, some of the gold got in between the leaves, and the way that the resin dried inside has some bubbles, but I'm not really concerned about that because I wanted it to look like it was wet. So that is that one. And let me hold it up in the light. Oh, and I need to show you the back as well. Okay, and then the back. And there's the back. So definitely an interesting pattern. Definitely interesting. And I am not mad. And there is the gold, black, pink glitter, silver glitter, and the gold. That's that. Let's get close. You can see the detail. That was my stomach. I hope you guys didn't hear that. And the back. The back is more just solid because I didn't really mix it up. But I would pour a second layer because some of these are sticking out. So a lot of times with resin, it really is trial and error, you know? So that's that one. Ooh. There we go. So let me do a close-up. And it looks more see-through than it actually is in person because those rose gold, the rose gold color definitely is translucent. So I really do like that. And the back of this one, and this one is the one that's still a little sticky. All right. Okay, so this is the black rock gold, confetti and rose gold. I just have it propped up with some natural sunlight so you can see. Okay, here is the second one, and this one is the gold confetti, the black rocks, and the pink glitter and gold, no, pink glitter and silver glitter with the black rocks. Like I said, I put too many black rocks, but overall I'm happy with it. And last but not least, the one that I did with the flower, the plastic flower. So this is just a plastic flower from Hobby Lobby with some black rocks and some gold rocks or gold beads. And as you can see, resin got all in the petals, so next time I'm going to seal the flower with resin before I just embed it. And that's that's my setup. Okay, so let's close this on out. So, no, that's not gonna work. Let me come over here. There we go. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed. And hopefully you go out and create something. If you do this project, please put it below. If you have any questions, please put those below as well. This is the worst angle ever, but it just made sense. Be blessed.